Thank you, Sure Hair, particularly Dr. Gupta. Thank you.
This is Roger. He's 69 years old, and he came to see us 1 year ago with a Norwood 4 pattern. So you can see here, the interior one half of the scalp was quite bald, and he wanted something done about it. So this is Roger 11 months later, and you can see here this is a very good result. The hairline is natural. Turn to your left, please. Yeah. And here, let's just concentrate on the hairline. Let's look at the forehead and look at the hairline. Look straight, please. Look straight. Chin down a bit. And chin down this way. Careful. And you can see here that this is a very good result, and this merges with the rest of the hair that he has. So 2,500 grafts, FUE, follicular unit excision, 11 months later. He has not used minoxidil or propecia, and these are truly, from my point of view, excellent results for somebody who had a Norwood 4 pattern with balding of the interior part of the scalp. Turn around for me, please. And as you can imagine, with the FUE, there's no trace of anything because this is not a strip method, so you cannot see any visible linear scarring. Turn around, please. So, Roger, what do you think of the transplant?
Great results. All of my friends are jealous of me.
When did the hair begin to grow back?
It took time till about beginning of, the procedure was done on December 20th. Till second week of May, my hairs were like 90% grown, and within a month it's excellent. There's no difference.
So the hair growth was when? In May?
In May, that's when about 95% came. It started growing, but you can see you're more like normal 90% by beginning of May.
But the first growth was when?
First growth started happening sometime in late January or early February.
So, yes, so the growth started about 2 or 3 months time, and then with the majority at about 5 to 6 months. That's great. And what has it done for your confidence, and what has it done for your for everything?
Well, I feel good when I see myself, and people make comments that I have reversed the age.
So you look much younger now.
That's what people tell me, and this is the first thing you told me. You can't recognize me.
I did not recognize you, to be honest with you. And if I may say, Roger says he's 70 years old, but to me he doesn't look a day over 45 or 50. So he is an extremely well, no wrinkles, and now a head full of hair. So that's wonderful.
Thank you. I'm very grateful for the service you did. And I must make a comment, when the service was done, when you did the procedure, you were so professional. Every evening you'll call and follow through and give me the instructions, remind me again and again. And I've yet to see a professional like you. Thank you.